Good morning, everybody. This is David with David's Tutorials, and today I'm going to tell you how you should vote. Yes, I can hear everybody out there right now getting steam up and having the steam come out of their ears and saying, "You think you can tell me how to vote?" Well, I got news for you. I can tell you how to vote, but it's not what you think. I want to tell you how to vote, and that is vote responsibly. What do I mean by that? First, let's tell you what's irresponsible. If you go out and you vote for somebody because you've heard their name on ads a lot, "Oh, I recognize that name," and you vote for them, that's irresponsible. If you go out there and you vote for somebody based on the color of their skin, then you're part of the problem, not part of the solution. If you vote for somebody based on their nationality or their gender, then you're part of the problem, not part of the solution. If you vote for anybody based on any factor other than their position on the critical issues for their office, then you're part of the problem, not part of the solution. So how should you vote? Number one, be aware of what are the offices that are being run for. What are the duties of those offices? What are those people supposed to do? County commissioner, president of the United States, judge, what are their duties? Okay, you need to know what their duties are. Yeah, this is going to take some work. Number two, find out what are the critical issues for that office. I don't know what are the critical issues for somebody running for county commissioner or for judge. Yeah, I know what a judge does, but what are the critical issues that makes one judge different than another judge? You need to learn what are the critical issues for those offices. And third, you need to learn the candidates. You've got candidate number one, candidate number two, and candidate number three, all running for the same office. But what's the difference? Why should you vote for one rather than the other? And the difference should be, what are their positions on the critical issues for those offices? Basically, most people who want to run for office want to do so just as a power trip. Oh, look at me, I got elected to this, and the county or the state or the federal government is going to pay me now to do something. Well, that's not the best reason to run for an office, and you know it as well as I do. So if somebody wanting to run for an office, they need to have a position on the critical issues, and you need to know what that position is, because otherwise you won't have any way to distinguish which candidate is better or even different than another candidate. All they are is names on a ballot. So here I am to tell you how to vote. Vote responsibly. Know the critical issues for the offices that are being elected. Know the candidates, know their positions on the critical issues, and then, and only then, can you make a logical decision about which candidate to vote for. So how should you vote? Vote responsibly. Be part of the solution. Don't be part of the problem. This is David with David's Tutorials, telling you how to vote. Give us a big old thumbs up. Let us know you like this video. Share this video with anybody you think needs to learn how to vote. Take care, everybody.